nice or to please you, I would like you all to tag Okwuluora for me here, because I see here karibu ya Allah here. Okwuluora, I'd like you to watch this video in case if you're watching. Then in case na habo muoma, by the grace of God, I'm the voice call unumre with Mr. Franklin Akuzie. I was opportuned to have the raw voice call conversation between the both of you, and I have it here. I'll play it here. Thank you. You're welcome, Joel. So, Okwuluora, I'm going to talk in here because, you know, Chineke mera mmadu ihoma. The person should appreciate God for ihoma. Somebody made a very sensitive video on that particular day. The person joro. So neji POS mmadu we na ga ego niile dị na account again. Why wasn't that matter reported to the police? Okwuluora, you never responded. Now, one thing with our people, Obo, people's relationship with you, once you have been good to one person at a time, the person will shy away from the truth. That's one big problem we have in this part of the world. People hate the gospel truth. I am not supporting those boys in the bush, because from this voice note, I'll be playing it while I analyze. From his voice note, my brother, which means after getting a call conversation again, Franklin Akuzie, I discovered that you watch some of us, you watch videos we make on social media, especially that of Governor Ezioku. It shows clearly. I will drop my number here. As people chat me, I will forward them that voice note. I mean that call conversation. I will forward it to many here that they may be able to listen. And before I came online, I've spoken with Mr. Franklin Akuzie. I discovered that the man was on his own. Share with a number and then mother where Bohana phone. The man no innocent. Mr. Franklin is the most innocent and pure person himself in the whole of this matter. He only came in because he wanted to help a brother from Omaka, and that was all. Next thing, he had result to this. But Okwuluora, I want to be very open to you here. I don't want to talk about some complaint. People know with Ram Basaragenwa. I kept quiet. God Almighty knows why I kept quiet. So many, unlike Governor Ezioku. Some have also called you on the phone, and I stamped it there. Ndi Igbo will not understand. Ndi Igbo will not understand. Our people will not understand. They will turn it against me. But tonight, Nkuchoku, I will give you one word. I will say one or two things, because I know they will happen. I see what one of our sisters, Ama, does. I don't want to add Chisom to it. I saw what one of our sisters does. How she has been helping people to recover some things through you, from you. And people still goes there to bully that young girl. Everything that Chisom neku abuchahashi. And I'm saying it to you. You're a good person in one way. But Okwuluora, something is missing. I see backfiring one morning coming. That kept aside. Let me play this voice note. I'm going to make my number available here. Well, let me use this one and comment first. Comment my number here. So that this same voice note, I will send it to many people. Our people, no, the call conversation between the commander, the commando Moama, Borono, Mr. Franklin na phone, and Mr. Franklin. Again, the voice notes. People will be able to understand something. I told me which is your kwaka. Okwuluora. In the dream and I need something explain. People now, if I talk the way I should talk as Governor Ezioku, tomorrow morning people will use me as topic. I got Ezioku, my brother. Mpoga on a phone now, it does a call. You know. You only answer whenever you wish. You will answer now because after this video, that's when you may be able to answer. But ordinarily, there's a call. Otherwise, the time she or Mr. Franklin, that's the same way I would have called you. That's one of them. Apple people on the phone has a call. So, guys, I'm going to drop my number here now. Let me drop my number here. I'm going to forward this to WhatsApp. (09064235745). So I've commented it here now. I want to forward this voice note. I want all of you to be able to listen to this, participate in this, listen to it, analyze it yourself. Check my head, this young guy in Ekumo. Then in his comment, let's play the voice note. Here is his voice.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Fine Man, fine boy. Are you Mr. Franklin by name?
Yes.
Okay. There's someone that sent me your number. Let me speak my language. I'm Igbo guy. And when I said your line, and I would like this thing I'm telling you to be recorded. You can put it in record because it's important.
Okay.
Yeah. If you put it in record, let me know. If your phone is being recorded, just let me know.
It's okay, man.
That's it, man. I'm like if I'm not going to keep here in record with reason.
Okay. No.
Now, about the people should stop sending me message first. Stop sending me message. When I finish the live broadcast, I'll be able to forward you the voice note, or you can use this number to call. Hence, I am on this program. Then you tell us your findings after listening to this young man's voice note. These are the people, the direct people whom Okwuluora said that kidnapped him. He is the one who called Mr. Franklin, the person who directed Okwuluora, who called the attention of Okwuluora to the situation of this Ikechukwu in Omaka. So this guy picked the number of Mr. Franklin and called him on the phone and was like telling him his own side of the story, if actually Okwuluora was kidnapped or not. If Okwuluora was kidnapped or not. So the commander is here now to defend himself on this particular call conversation between him and Mr. Franklin. Obiago TV, you're welcome, Honorable. So listen.
Let me record it now.
Okay.
Hold on, my bro.
Be recorded. Okay, my brother. Yeah, I got it. Record.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm Mr. Fine Boy. That is what is it Pomero or something like that is man.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the commander a pottery I show you I'm one fine man, not pottery if you understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is what I'm hearing now. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's I wanted to debunk this now. I know how I got your line because I'm not going to contact Imo State.
Yes.
Yeah, so come direct to the point. The day, we have security in this side. Everybody know that and we're better man in Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We're better man. This guy na Okwuluora Daruru Oeba Umuaka. Yeah, he came to Umuaka because when he came, he lost, and our security is any security personnel he lost about Oluku so tangible and Oluku somehow suspicious, you know.
Okay.
The process, my boy is not coming that then when some healers this side, we're thinking that maybe all those people coming to attack, after him may attack. You know, but the healers on the information we're having is the only one is one healers. But all than that, there were email attack. They can't easily use one healers. Then we'll use more. The healers when they come is a more tanker. How many healers I will feel? But a more tanker will be like 20, 30, or 15.
Okay.
That's okay. Maybe before another fire, I think I name innocent people. Something happened to them.
Listen. This guy is the commander of the boys. They say the people in Habundo Muhammad. He said, I want to re-explain so far what he has said. He said that he got information that Okwuluora was making a video and accusing them. In response to that, he's now narrating what happened because Okwuluora uses Hilos, Takoma, White. He says that suddenly that it came to pass that some of his boys called him on phone and told him that there's a Hilos entering the community. He said, okay, how many? They told him 1. He said no, that they should not shoot. It might be innocent person. That was why they didn't open fire on Okwuluora. Get this point though, that was why they didn't open fire on Okwuluora. They heed to his instructions. So let's listen further.
That's okay. Let them first check very well. That whether
they should check the
information we are innocent person. And I'm sure this guy, you know, after with this guy, that's Okwuluora by name.
After they held Okwuluora, they looked at him. He said he is Okwuluora. Listen further.
And then no moment or this. They say enough forward the name for me.
When his boys held him, he said his name is Okwuluora. They forwarded the name to him as their commander. Now listen.
They follow this guy online. I'm this guy. Happen here. Actually, come matter more the person now. Okay, I was like 30 minutes because what happened me? Abraham Tan.
Mind you, this guy said Mbahaporomi na Abraham Town. He went to town. Now, collide this or compare this to what I said, that from Umuaka to Owerri to the government house is about 15 to 20 minutes. Now he said that he took like 30 minutes, that he is in the town. Take cognizance. So the governor of Imo State, this guy in Abia town. Njaba, Umuaka is under Njaba local government. His Excellency, the allocation of that local government is more than 300 million naira. No road, no electricity, nothing whatsoever. This guy comes to the town freely, he moves freely. But the army will come and start attacking our innocent mothers in the village. I have to be raw tonight. Manonya and Abia town. Onya Jifunia, where Mr. Franklin Akuzia on a phone, when they queen and they record there. He even said that he's on TikTok. Did Okwuluora go to the police and report to the police authority? Okwuluora. I don't mind how you feel about it. This one said, Oga, allow us listen. I'll block you from here now. You will not be here to listen. Mike, Ikechuku, oh yeah, come on, get out from here. Get out from here, you. Or let me suspend you. Come on, get out. If I will again at speed, Onyara. If you want what to do here.
I went like 30 or 35 minutes because all time to close. You know, boy, if you are saying a nigga, I'm going to take them conversation there. Yeah. After everything, I went conversation. Mr. Okwuluora, like him, that's okay. Major, one person when you marker, you want that with one guy like that, but there are 3 numbers. Yeah, my body that for like me. Yes, money we talk very well. I won't go here catch if I'm fine, you catch this guy. If I'm in this planet, whatever, because I'm 100% sure for something. That's it. I'm fine with to get your number. I'm how what it takes to get your number. Yeah, I was a mother magazine. She get on. This is this guy again. You know, who this guy? Money which I may have address. So much fine. My boy, my all those guys. And when I know, I see Muhuji Mote and some of your phone. That's and some passports. Marcia, my boy, I see. When everything belongs to this guy and hand this guy over. In my presence there, I didn't left. We go to the park here. Okay. With the phone near. It's a 12 phone. One iPhone, Samsung, and one Redmi. Hey, when they call so young so you one phone, and you only got so young so you two phone here. Masele Hozo on young, that's moto, that is Takuma or something like that. One Takuma. Yeah. That's okay. Boon, he lost on your be. So he lost on your be. My is a matter of for say I'm going to what game in anyone. I'm the one that said the man game in anyone, game in anyone. Yeah, say, Master, you got one bag of rice of an egg. This is what I is. That's him. And why who check in account here? I will actually do. Master, no, me on that do rest. No, my man. Equal and carry man or them. I can't try that option. Or that's a way to him. You're free to go. That's not going to get you. You on the day. On a pana. Ngam sure give me 500,000 naira. Okay. Oh, it's not 500,000. I'm talking about man who carry. Come on, no, even more about to win. If we matter one that who him natural. Yes, so me phone. So they 500,000 naira. Master, fine. I did talk the 500,000. Master, come on, gamin na hoku. Not so get 500,000 naira. Only of money. Into why here? Me was now we hearing the Hamahati. I'm a high test now. I'm a auto now because we are into law here. My driver out. Listen the next day. Now my boy I became hand I can say Oga. Now who's the 400,000 naira at guy here? Mas you dealing and kusha 100,000 naira. This is what I said. She just like kusha 100,000 naira. 400,000 naira. That's okay. Alpha. Yes, only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira. That's only POS. Are you hearing me?
I'm not getting it. No, POS is 11,000.
That's only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira? G with Wapotaya. I must say, okay, fine. 11,000 charges were too much. Yes, now my take on Anazea. So this is what that my boy told me. Then you know it's me 389,000. Must if I present around such money, no. I use my own money, make it 11,000. I complete it 400,000 naira. Even by my side, we now have some costs that we have some expenses reaching almost 1.5 million naira expenses. And I called my boss, okay, to help me transfer 1.1 million. Can we go this guy in 400,000 naira? Can we just solve that problem in I got to send them the money. Maybe they go, this guy in a rubbish with 400,000. But see, what I wanted to let you know is that now this guy, what he told me in face, not game is 500,000 naira. But to prove this thing, not to me find out the POS made this thing now. Come here, let me print alarm out. Let me confirm what this guy is saying. And I print out, I'm a talk away. Maybe I will send you my WhatsApp number. Send this for you. And this is okay, my old kidnapper. Near motor, yeah. Near phone, yeah. When you kidnapper, you catch me, yeah. Or why should this guy number inside the barrack or whatever, or inside camp? Ala Igbo. This guy, I don't know here, man. He may be a hall. People crowd is there. I don't know bad. Umaka also. Don't say Umaka how will a ghost stand. A little more come a ghost stand. People are moving. People know us. I know they hide my face. Okay, my way kidnap. Share my TikTok account. Share my WhatsApp account. Share my WhatsApp number. When you also met you, Master, okay, I am number. I am number. So far that I'm calling this guy, it's not picking my call. And I will make a video with name here. Even after this thing now. Maybe if I have the WhatsApp number, when I'm making the video, I'll call you. I contacted okay, my way kidnapper. Now your number. Yeah, Lawa. This guy got latchy back. Says, "Oh my God, will go stand? No, but they be kidnapped. Why? Oh, what's all this guy now? 500,000 naira cost tendre. Ala me give them. But yeah, 500,000. Yeah, maybe Alomaka got to where. Okay, I'm trying to call it as security network in Enugu State. The information will only Enugu, but my boss will have to go there. Let's find this thing finished. If you wanted to call my people.
Okay, my brother, I want to go do kita can transform your past. That Okwuluora bo my friend and here meaning Jimetio Yobo. Yeah, but the third time now. Na apota Okwuluora ko help umaka. Yeah, many fundraising. My brother, I hardly I'm an Aka-son, but I hardly come home.
Yeah.
And I love that community to a point that now I'm a blogger. I know. I was there Franklin during the time Abago Abata Mulo, but all on a page or cannot dear. He just type I was there Franklin. He got that now. He promote to get them over festival and the Madana Jemo Kezi culture behenka. So to tell you how much I love my village. And I want to promote my cash. I get them not fundraising. You understand? na nke wee eziokwu that na ihe mere o jiri ka some people bịa sef dị ka ha bịa kpọọ ma ịgwa gị eziokwu ebere m akwa ahụ ihe njide akwa ahụ that na mgbe ihe a na-eme that was in the night ka ịma onye dupụrụ mmadụ ije ọnwụ na oge elu ahagide erughị ala. So I was worried because I was on Facebook now share that live broadcast. So when Okwuluora put online, I wanted to call Okwuluora because they're supposed to sleep in over that day. So Kenji worried, I gotta get them in here with my friend or some camera. I said that my mom here is the number of Okwuluora, my friend the edge. That's okay, I'm calm down. So on the attack maybe 8 or 9 o'clock thereabout. Madam, if I'm not mistaken, we got a message from him that he was kidnapped. Okay, wait.
While we'll continue this, listening to this, if you come here and type any abusive words, if you abuse Okwuluora, I'll block you. If you abuse yourself, I'll block you. If you try to insult me, I'll block you here. That's my discipline. I don't joke with it. I am not begging you to come here. Are you listening to me? You don't need to insult Okwuluora. You don't also need to insult these guys. Finally, you will hear what I will say. Then if you have something, if you have a question to ask, the numbers are there. This particular number I attached there. Where did I keep down my number now? Okay, let me pin it. The number is here. You can call and make your own contribution because I believe these guys are listening. I believe they watch what we are saying here, and Okwuluora watches it. You will give me onya na akpọ me here and sure the onya more man and no life. So you will say your own opinion, but make sure it is civil. This thing not easy. This thing you see here is not easy. If you come here to insult anybody, I will block you. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Clearly, here I want to let you know that these guys, no matter how, even if Okwuluora lied against you people right now, the truth is that you don't have any right carrying gun. The Igbos can still build. The Igbos who goes about developing all part of Nigeria did not do it with AK-47. We are not fools. We will get and achieve the best of our empires. Even if you have any dream, of disintegrating out of Nigeria or thereabout, you must not do it with AK-47. That is my own philosophy. Because so let's continue and hear from them. If you come here and type jargon, may be blocking immediately. I will block you, not just suspending you. You will never see this page again. You understand? So Okwuluora said, "Now how will the dollar go in on account?" And this guy is saying, "No boho kadete ni si me." The guy could ni ana hezezo. Can't get them surprised. Let's go ahead.
Kidnap Okwuluora. Ele makene anwetesi call.
Okay, now again, I watch your post in the screenshot of my conversation. I'm a very transparent somebody. Yeah. Do you understand me? And I do mark for that now. The chat of where Okwuluora told me that he was kidnapped, I posted it. Yeah. Do you understand me? Yeah. So to tell you that I was just worried about him. I don't know the situation. I'm not the kidnapper, but him I go kill you, bro, mother. Only if somewhere.
Let me say this again. This Franklin Akuzie is pure. In the beginning, Igbo no could this man, this Franklin, be about the innocent person not here. He brought Okwuluora sincerely. He appealed to Okwuluora, and they believe him. This Franklin around all castle Okwuluora that place, and don't really care this Franklin. They wouldn't have spared Okwuluora also. But that's not for Okwuluora. Of this commander now offer Okwuluora with this guy, maybe okay, make way better more. But then when him talk, I got here.
Kidnap. My brother, you know that you never feel okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean.
My brother, my brother,
so if you have a program,
I went to the wagon. Okay, Okwuluora is not being kidnapped.
Okay.
Okwuluora is not being kidnapped. We saw Okwuluora.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I personally introduce myself. Who am I to Okwuluora?
Okay.
Just send this year my my way a kidnapper. Share my TikTok account. Okay. After when I met her, you will speak same number. For a kidnapper Okwuluora, that they release it that day. Hey, check no winning. One way say I'm winning. He may nine. Oh, Munegale. Now, what I am, then the one I have a yes, we talk, but what you do, man, one play you. Now, where shall put on a million a day? I got close to me. Young was my movie this video where you watch him a mokurie. The next day, I now can pick one that guy out to retreat. Smart one now had that guy. Come to that guy, say, because he was there, because that's one of my boys. My boy say, now the one guy on my here there, you call you mark. On the way going, yeah, one this guy.
Yes, and I go fine boy or thereabouts. It's an able commando Muhammad Kesa again. Listen to me. So after if Okwuluora made a video, let's assume you didn't kidnap him really, because he lied against you. So is that why you got angry? You gave order. One need the person out to Lego. Now I also need you to keep Igbo. If you actually collected that money out to try that boy with a kidney issue or not. Come out and tell Igbo that money and why. Where is the money? Okay, condition that young man help us make kidney transparent. That's another point in that angle. So let's go ahead and listen to you. You have agreed now. You know that age one near as a commissioner of police, as Igwe Umaka or as in what? And what did you do to that man? I will also ask you another thing. Where is Sam White? Where is Sam White? That other people I will ask you, why are they not coming to Umaka? It's no Umaka a ghost town. I'm not telling that Okwuluora did not lie against you people, because if he didn't lie, he would have gone to the police. So I'm going to Joga now. I know this video, some of you watch it.
I make video call with that guy. Say I'm gonna I make my yaja. This guy, my fault that my boy. This video, that guy watch Okwuluora woman had them. I can't who draw no she okay 500,000. Now who draw no so they must say also I know that's I want to make content creator back. What are you use the phone? I want to get my phone. Got not up down, she know 500,000 Okwuluora. You may promise again. Okay. A shop in it's about me. National
Ngwalanya, Mr. Fineboy can tell us your name. I got a fine boy. And from your language, I believe you may want to make either need to know where from your tone. Mr. Fineboy, from now till tomorrow, no bag of Nezuku Kamdos right here. No bam come tigra here. Gaga print here. I want to have 1 point in Chihuahua. Because at this point, I believe Okwuluora. I will be the last person to trust anybody from the internet. I will be the last person again in this life. And Okwuluora, that is a reason. Some of those things, I don't believe them. Oh. Everything he said also, I don't also believe it because my experience complain people in Nyembo. Ndi Igbo ade anunti. Ndi Igbo achoro eziokwu. I swear to God Almighty, Ndi Igbo achoro eziokwu. I want to everybody here now listen to me. Onye na-agwa okwu ma ihe m na-ekwu now. Onye m na-agwa okwu a na ma ihe m na-ekwu. A shift from what I am saying. I want to give an illustration. Onye na-agwa okwu ma. You see why he may judge the bad. Evil is evil. There is a young man who came back from abroad. And he was in the city of Enugu where he landed. This guy was trapped by some group of men and a philanthropist. They carried this young man. Now we go Yahoo account here. Now the guy got provided the money. The guy seen where they got with an account here. He treat this boy. The kind of thing he treat this guy. Where 3 million naira out of his account. That made me. I looked this guy and I looked this earth. I decided never to trust. If you like, preach before me, chop Bible, swallow them. I would never in this life trust to target 100%. You do it on your own. Let me continue playing these voice notes. I mean, this call conversation.
My freedom. Okay. I'm just telling you, check his name and find the way to get your number because I have my document to make. I never go on get to make it. Actually, one game not one goes something that it trash that's your cool. I took one oh come on at the get quick. That's how everything is. Even of my one because him and I do you understand me? Okwuluora get to bank na yaga print ego la na that day na that also tax test ya yaga print na help tax le ego.
Okwuluora should print his statement of account with the date of that day and the exact time. From the time 3 hours on or before that time, a kidnapper, yeah. Somebody should find a date and time of that video. Screenshot it and keep it. Video me go video to that boy. And the time the video they kidnap there. These two brackets. Okwuluora should print his statement of account to Igbo. Then this young man find a way that POS I have been saying Ogama they in charge Omaka. Ogama bo Igwe no Omaka. Print your statement that POS. Anybody that does POS business out there, be careful. Out of every nonsense, there is sense there. Learn no. So print the POS transaction with your kaifu no source of 500,000 or 400,000 naira can procure that day. Before we will now blame you for that because he went any right in any money. Or when you begin and up 400,000 or 500,000 errorly again. Errorly again now here. Even though you claim na Ojo Biochia sick on you the money.
Go lay for a cat that day. You got no. Oh, yeah, and ego, drama, on a muego. That guy go there, yeah, to la hego. One was on I shall find. But okay, people could address and we him remember an ego. Why can't okay, you want send that your people? Or with that way, Ioma, or I am a J1 day who could have to Lego. Remember Lego. Now she now and then 5 Naraka, 1 day, machine no could have to be open. No, 5 even Okwuluora. Chineke, Biko. Why Okwuluora? I'm not happy to Okwuluora. Okwuluora got the idea. I even know more Sonkwa. Cook with something. Let him go Sonkwa that's not to wash you.
Nobody will also trust you as well because you guys are all liars. Ifeanyi Emmanuel, oh yeah, goodbye from this page. Come on, get out from here. Did I invite you, Onyara? Come on, get away from here. I block you immediately. I don't take nonsense.
You know, because here no there, Okwuluora because all the way Medio because I must be because Bara because.
My boy, let me be honest with you. That name we use to Omaka. How all a good stand. Came to Omaka, whatever. Then we go stand. Jump outside the bay whom you may. Jump on let me just. I want to hit a point for you because I'm saying you online. Joy a go down that day. Yaga bank na. Or ya take a phone, ya will take the alert. Ya joy color that day. Upon that, na joy a beahunu me. You know to look at now to bring that thing down. Wake away Zoku. No, ya Jacka show in that 500,000 naira. This is only my own. This is only my problem. If not, even if we got our freedom tomorrow, I will sit table on my boss table. I really mean it. Or what I be propaganda, everything will not even trash it. I get the bunker, but I won't now. Social media, I'm share everybody being social media. I have contact, same with contact creators, same with many people. I have connections.
Because calm or down. Get you by your okay, man. Igwe na-ewe gị kịta na aghọtago m because ọ dị m ka maybe Igwe na-ewe gị based on that na ihe okwu abụrụ ihe meenụ and you know at a point Adam dey confused. My boss need kidnap. At a point I called him for the second time. Say one.
Wait, before we continue, this fine boy is an able commander and the Umoma. A question on an able mad. Question on a day, mad. Give me the address of that your camp. After me, don't charge and a bone on. After maybe at your camp. I want to see what you are doing. And I want you to tell me why you do these things. Give me dates. Give me time. After maybe I can be a call at your camp. Then Dolota can Igbo fokola na enwe him. I want to see. And I want to ask you, after me with again a video time myself. Why each name this thing na Ala Igbo? I want to know. So if anybody can reach them with this video, reach them, tell them I said I want them to tell me. I want them, tell them I want to come to that place they are because Okwuluora is in Igbo and everywhere. I want to see that those your guns and why Ijibukutu the Igbo and Ala Igbo. What are you using them for? I really want to know. I am on live video, this person. I'm on live video. So I want to know. I really want to know why you choose to do some of these things. I want to know. I want to know why. I like to come to Umaka. I will come to Umaka myself. I'm saying this thing on camera. I will come to Umaka. I don't remember why. Unu jiton everywhere to go stand. Teacher checking points unu. Moto mado batawazie. Amarazie na nka abo private hilos. Nka abo nka. I heard that mbara moto abi Umaka no neburu mbuku imo hana millions of naira. I want to see. I tell you guys that I will come. In fact, I don't need the approval. I will come to Umaka myself, and I will just make a video. Send Nyechaya people see Hajide that I'm going to Umaka. I will not tell you. I will just drive to Umaka. Maybe Hana Umwele. I will come. Why are we turning our state to this kind of things? Why are we doing these things to our people? Why? No matter anything. Okwuluora to Gidregashi, or no Akosoria, you have no right to go there first. Now, Oriela no now. Orielo no.
Also, repeat that now he was kidnapped in Omaka, which I was a little bit confused, even to a point also that now. That guy, one Charlie, I think Charlie that night they also came and picked him. I didn't post that. Maybe go down Moti near all him belongings. And not go men. Yes, Takuma. Maybe you. My hand is Egero. Opening our one Kitana, I'm very, very happy. Matter how happy I am because sometimes on Abu. It's showing with the fact, a balance here, the thing. And we cook it and picking it. And for the fact that
I repeat, my name is Prince Enyinaya. You know me as Governor Ezioku. I said I will come to Umaka. How does that concern you? I will come to Umaka. The day I will come to Umaka, I will not announce it to everybody, but I will only make sure that all my people, my team, everybody knows that I'm going to Umaka. I will make a video. I will call date and time. And as I'm going to Umaka, I will make videos. If I get to First Junction, I'll make video and forward to them on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp videos will be transmitting till I get there. Yeah. Because this thing is Adoroma. Obroma, Obota, Keshebu, our people. Then count me as one of the people Iburu. Count me as one of the people Iburu because this story is everywhere. Nebuga people may travel. I say I went to Osu. I saw things myself. How are we going to believe you 100%? In the Kuna Bezioku. The commando Mama. Eh? Ndatira CCTV. There are people in Umaka who have CCTV in their compound. Why will you go to remove CCTV in people's private compound? In people's private compound. Or them, how? Why? You're paying Abo that Okwuluora lied against you. Okwuluora lied against you people, Nego, if I should say. I'm not in the right position to decide. It is the police that should investigate. Police could see me investigation. This sure, only 500,000 naira because Okwuluora did not specify amount. He only said nego in on account here. So when you get on account here, so that day will be that amount. Except if bank can tell us the exact amount on account here. Okay, that's where we would know. This guy said, so you finally believe in what this guy said. Oh yeah, Ikenna, come and get out. Ikenna Anthony, come and get out from this page. Get out from here, you. I pity you and give you suspension. If I see you here next time, Maggie, Maggie.
I will talk to him. I want nobody has monopoly of wisdom. What are you? Because there was everything happened in the present. Okay. On you make just for friend, then you Maya cool that Saga play this my voice. It will get put in your share. Because all of them are there when this happened. Also, now we have everyone who is so broke. Okwuluora back on a barrack or you have any camp or anything, Oga. You don't talk on one who there. That only that place.
Okwuluora said, no, we are Batana camp. Not for everyone, never know they are able to put here. In fact, I get jail world war. Uno Genebe Diote, Mega Geni, I want to know. These two parties, Uno Chabon Dash, Nuncha, the both of you are liars. Uno to Ashe, when you can't ego, I don't believe. I don't believe in your own truth.
Because all my driver come here at the hall there. And okay, that's every people are there. No, you're about to get the portal is there. Omaka was a go samba. Buto. Umana, Buto. I will talk to him. Buto. You were guarding Oko. Imana sometimes one. Or you can mad out of anger, say, but the outer maybe you have a point. I will talk to him and about that. To be honest with you, I got that government are going to criticize Umaka and to Laisha one them. Let me be honest with you. That's what I was having now.
This one about you lied here. Okay, government, all government did only our kidney. All government what Okwuluora no maka. It is this Franklin getting a kokuna bonya potra Okwuluora no maka. So okay, the space or in less than 30 minutes or 1 hour. The government is don't talk like a mugu. Let me warn you people. I'm going to be sitting in here because you said that your network this and that. Let me tell you, brother. Ndibo hate wono. Ndibo hate ga. Even if but only Igbo na anything in movement again one mega. Igbo the people are panicking in Igbo land because of you guys. If we did any right for no reason whatsoever, if we did any right, we would only Igbo abona posidi anozo. Such a what they are nania funia. Let's assume no nya habu Okwuluora, my brother. Let's assume because let me believe now that you release him because he's Okwuluora, right? I want to ask you again. I'm not telling you he's not lying or say against you people. Actually, maybe I want to know as my game my Okwuluora. Let's assume no buho Okwuluora. Let's assume no a private individual, but a job agenda or when one or and the person is Range Rover. Where Baba to Maka, where you side down on the welfare Mobonya who Butakoma. A booty, those guys, a booty, so they wouldn't have called you. Chai Ezioku at the Charona Hineku 100%. Oh, more Governor Ezioku Lilanyan Demon Ekuya.
Okay, kidnap wagon. You will speak to pay. I come here. Hey. My God, I will matter. I take him again. What a speech, madam.
And even more when my payment and a threat to come more since that way I go for gas. I do it away. A lot of people, because of this, they're very, very angry with Okwuluora. Man, they themselves, the anger transfer to me.
If we don't make the voice with I say one guy, it's already a long one, so place in Hagabe because of whom I don't want to show you no small land. More than the air to pursue that guy, and that guy something must happen to that guy. Or see, yeah, they are put on social media and be a beg, yeah. I swear to God. Always see me that guy, I'm going to cook Abiama.
Biko buto. Buta yoka na yogi biko. Eke ba den.
My brother, if you talk to Okwuluora, hear me come now. Enye me 1 week. Ja, bola mo Okwuluora. Boy ya do no me asi akwo nke eziokwu. Ya bia di comfort state. Gbara. Amu ba on we fa on wa fibo ko wo, but yo baga ba wa fibo. Enwe ebe he na emege.
Because actually ikotekwe n'ihi na ọ na-azọ on that ground just gbara biko. Gbara. Me na okufuru ọnụ biko gbara. Gbara biko. Biko nwanne gbara. Don't do anything to harm him, just gbara because I'm also no kita na onwe a lot of enemies. Oburu also from ụmụaka. Oburu from ụmụaka because him ihe na-eme n'ụwa na o wuri kende
enemy aja ke nwege enemy because yanwe enemy le kpo somebody nwuju me afọ na nwanne kpọrọ akpọ gị ọwa anyị nwa mele introduce ndị ahụ ngbere him ike mele na ọ dịkwa ha easy. Yeah, me call you. I told you 500,000 naira. 500,000 I use 500. I'm using muziwu.
And this na 400. Okukwe na video na akore. Na video nge. Okukwe na nwere emi.
Akumo ya ihe. Ndị akụ asige owu kidnapper. Emi that head na na emu nye fugade mofo. Obu so kidnapper. One before you kumedi a ga-ekeriri keche ya gode gbogbo. This guy na say na ho ya say ebiko emecha ya ga ya enemy a ga ha agbawe look at.
Look at Gbara biko nwanne gbara ayo ka yo ichokwa sekuru ala yo biko gbara
na Okwuluora Okwuluora you self you dey funny o. See, while they blame this side, they blame this side. Okwuluora you dey funny o. See as they carry you begin the shout to say make they cover your eye. You know I see your enemy. Make they cover your eye, I beg. Bros change your compass. So at the now for phone, I for call you, holla you this thing. But the problem is you need the pick up, and you only pick only when you feel like picking. They call me here now. I don't live video. I'm not ready to do this kind of thing now. I'm on live video. You shouldn't call me when I'm on live, okay? Then, brother, let me also tell you. You said Okwuluora said that he was going to give you 500,000. Then your boy brought 400,000, which means Okwuluora actually gave them 500,000. But those boys are also potential criminals. You see the kind of people you work with, which means they can be doing some things and you wouldn't know. I'm telling you the way it is. It could be that what they took actually was 500,000. The guy scammed you 100,000 naira out of the 500, and out of the other 500,000 naira, they still deducted 11,000 naira. That was the charges of the POS. I want to ask you, so you people now have friendly POS people that will see you guys with AK-47 and still stand bold to do transaction with you. Something is wrong with Omaka. If a POS person can see you people with AK-47 and that POS person is still bold to ask of his or her charge, then something fundamental is totally wrong with Omaka. This is what I'm telling you. Are you listening to me? If any POS person can be comfortable at the front of AK-47 and say, hey, if you withdraw 400,000, our charge is 11,000. Kai!
Only thing let my brother. I'm going more bullion no be David down. Yak where's you open? This is my own concern. Yak where's you? I am going to go or some could get that test. Or some ways yes. If you don't mind your song, but if you don't post here and they feel and make it caca on one, but on my show Edmund post what's happening then you post but on my show more. On one don't go to see some of all the says on my video game. It's time to get now, but on my show more. Because you know about your Joanna them. You know what plan are doing. But I'm fine. Now you may get one door job, but as far as I'm concerned, I will not allow something to happen.
Maybe all when your man and we are for the fact na Igbo coach ready, I will talk to Okwuluora.
Okay, if you know, Ghana Azo, call that thing. Ghana Azo, Josh Umwaka, the whole entire Umwaka. The minute I look at that, kidnapping Umwaka, or look at a Shinja Madufu, you can pack your machines. We are here. You can pack your machine. You give a machine, your machine is there. But on that place.
My brother, if you are watching this video, there is somebody, I attached his picture here. This boy, Anania machine, yesterday, or the day before he started no marker, he will babu this boy. Yeah, it's an America parking machine here and just go anywhere and sleep and come back. Tell us about this guy. Tell us.
It's not like that. I swear to God. Ogaga maybe a case or some power. You actually park your machine, okay? When we keep and we must make puye. If you know they catch that person. If we Umaka back in the Umaka we can actually make it a bit bad. But now Umaka change. I swear to God.
I'm not going idea and the man has got confidence in the way about Madam people say that they blame that they won't be hold them no matter. And that's
my brother. Okay, all who knows Shibia. Ele more laga, shoes on la. Yet to give shoes up, but I ba. My brother, Okwuluora have paid to government, Nangarage. Also, sacrifice that, Kopota, that is size so much maybe a long work. One of them were Okwuluora have paid, Yadan Wadi.
Because man.
Maybe show mark.
I will talk to Okwuluora. But because I told him to have more because I know
all my brother call but
because we are talking and because more one step I don't come at a point to job welcome and then when then after now mbato maka I give my game make one brother na kezi ihe bụ my offense kwana n'ihe niile
Franklin Akuze is innocent in this whole thing. And if you are one of those people whom are calling him on phone, threatening him, you are a fool. You be a fool because offer somebody from Omaka Obodia, Neji, you check your no, you go, man, your town, Soyama, where Bo Brother saw that he did not commit any crime.
Because when I look at to help Omukai, what my I don't want problems. The only thing in nature, Maka, we home. Yeah, what before you didn't let you make in Hojo. You have brought the first time myself. This girl, I'm not Utopia, almost Okwuluora, a man fundraising. No Maka say farmer. Almost connect to Okwuluora, say because I have for more Maka Utopia.
I say, that guy, Nana Egi, a got to trap. Or because when somebody make cause now, we are human beings. When that will go down, my partner at the account. Point can't hit again, point him hit again. But serious, you are say. This guy had to Lego. One here. Joanna, and when didn't like Ego. Papa, Okwuluora, Ego, and then Nage. Let's yap with a colony. I'm a sender like today. I will break at a time. Draw a POS you made that 10. You the receipt. I will forward it for you. Let's be honest. I will find way get your WhatsApp number. If this is a WhatsApp number, or you can make it a WhatsApp number. My add that with my international line. Send that again. See it. Buto
one you work hard in Oko. I will try my possible best how much what you Oko because here you go Maka more my life was spending you know
my brother when me go share with him again also when they mean ya when they mean oh you be aka maybe share for man na kete
good because it's okay you go father and more when because protest and I don't want me involved what do you want
my brother I watch
Mr. Franklin, that is these things. Well, nobody would do anything to you. Okay, why they were doing these things, many of us kept quiet. But then when we started talking. We won't keep quiet, he may be emo. Nobody is more emo than any other person. Igbo bofu. Sana yoga dike ibuchuku. Ibuchu munna gini no so can only you occupy the earth.
What he said, I will always be online steady. I fine boy will always be online. So don't hold up from that day. Don't fine boy. I'm not face to face. I'm the fine boy. I'm saying in the game making all my time. Yeah, God created me. Why was that fine? Oh, you don't like your child. Oh, God, them.
I feel that the guy is too fresh.
Yeah, moi. My way to the Russian commander who got has any child here in them dry. And when he goes on, I guess him back. The hillsy. Oh, one my plunge and will he give me no negi.
Okay.
Oh, moi, I get a liquidation. Oh, gonna see I won't find guy. I want one guy, how much some man. Oh, moi. No, if you don't watch, one fine guy in the world on the commander. I say child in the army. Look at
it's okay, my brother. Don't worry.
But
I just come on.
When I call, I'll hold your line. And when I called you, I asked you whether is your WhatsApp number. My gabaria for that game in the POS. I'm a member, but I'm a top of that today. I'll be sure taking all my time. I will bring it and forward you the account. My gamma saying 500,000 more washing away shopping.
It's okay.
500,000 I go to and that's back here. Volunteer, not force. Go to say about but log all about millions of naira. I want to go back. No, Wahala. On a shit
out of anger,
all willingly go down and one name back. Now, I okay, I am getting 500,000. I saw he gets almost a thank you, Nebaliala. It's a big phone. I'm going to 500,000 and he should get a Masobaliala. Thank you, almost threatened. Thank you. Maso remove my boss and I'm not your number. Okay, man, I number. And I'm a sense like I'm a made video. Even okay, it's not picking my call. Get confirm my home. And I'm a number. My will. It's over 4 days that I've been calling this guy. It's not picking my call. I'm dry face to face. And that's what I want to make where I put a record and dry face to face. Okwuluora. Any man I give you. All I have to me him could MG watch out again phone. But not let him know that I wanted to put it in record, or to see it again a record, can hold me. Can't hold me, man. You are saying, hey, go in there. What happened? Go join your way, my fault, or again.
I'll try to calm the situation because Buto.
Okay, my brother.
Buto. And then I have more about no market. One now, I'm about the Namosa.
Manumo. I was about to my outside, the Babatazi, or such my baby, young gun.
Because. I come wipe all my name. I want to know about the record because
no. My brother, see, I swear to God, and when question on about record or whatever, and I watch him equal. When we make anything about him, my brother, and when I believe in Obi, what he wants is our freedom, nothing else.
Okay.
Even though Joe or him that booking him, okay, look at this side. It said any kidnap man stay the Eba. After everything, now I watch our friends. 11 not only now I watch friends stop all those things. Villagers are happy. Umaka, you go do Maka, and when you look at and when you kidnapping, no Maka. All you got to go say, but on other places on him, other places on him, up we have yeah, I'm Shaka for Joe. And you may home before I got for Joe. When I said, Nan Carlo, you may get about freedom here. One leader, yeah. I'm okay about them, but now everybody my home again.
Oh, you're good.
People are here, I got to go your job because you're benefiting that bad thing. On they get benefit in that bad thing when they get criticized, my good thing somebody make.
It's true. I'll try to reach him because come on down. I don't want to get Okwuluora get more for long because I just call you like I call to Kennedy.
And when you need that Okwuluora say the truth and your truth will only set you free. This is what I want.
I'll talk to him.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, bring it up to the down. When case open. Oh man, can I chicken again? My gauge might be ego. That means also that saying don't make a mesh. Also making her Chukutoriji a boy to let Chukutin can and maybe Okwuluora hand on him. Yakwake is going to be a neko. Kidnap a Kurugi, unlike Humotogi, on a Funugi, or filming or make a cap and like going again. Or showing it for my people in the game and for your family. Hey, Chineke man. Anybody that they release that day, Drew to put aside, I think, and make a shikashi or no Macacomelegi, or what's I know a Becomegi, or a Bacomegi, a Drew to put aside main road. Gashpa bye. Kidnap and I'm going to become more. Nah, Chineke Okwuluora.
1 hour.
Now, which means soon the JK-47 do give them mad Duruoya main road. Nah, 15 minutes away from the government house. Do you know that, the governor of Imo State, you see that Abuja-based governor? You see that Abuja-based governor and those people they work with. If you see any idiot who they say they work with Imo State governor, that is a. If you want to describe as a fool, just any of your community person or any of your LGA person, what they say be commissioner. That is the normal sizable picture of a fool. 500,000 naira. Now the commissioner salary, commissioner for Imo State. I tell you. If you on video like this now, say governor of the state saying a fool, then go. If you see he lost, if not to grab Ngopala land now, hope go rush, grab land, lie against people, carry and give church. Cheat. People don't hate raise you. That is why, if you find Igbo, just may for the sake of humanity. Don't do it no Igbo. Don't do it because no Igbo. People can iron and sugarcoat evil in this part of the world. Nabi, they tell you before God and man. If I neji, imagine a queen name anymore. Ya they call super story. Ya they call play. So I get Jebe. She ni more ya. Do give them and these guys. You see, he said near driver. Onya naga filling station bafuelo. And when he say he drives around, means no na patrol. Is the governor truly aware of these things? Nobody, any day no name him arrest, man, no, because of these things in Negu. And will I stop? The answer is no. As I told you, I will come to Omaka. You will, the day I will come. I will just, and then now they make it on a moto. You know, I've seen the bee. Masapochi, I did back lane, but Omaka. Bonunum, Otahunu Sebunum does out ever hold you, but they kidnap where I see I will take go. Bonunum cow, but I'm broken on no Maka. This thing soon name it will series of complaints. So you are not a criminal. Even a kidnapper, as you said. The only side the more I never believe Igbo Okwuluora Nobo. Uto say that how I pregoni on account that one about shit. It's a lie. But top come name evil activities there. You guys does it because you have no right. A crime is a crime. Crime is crime. You have no right. Please, my phone lines are open now. This number I dropped there. You can call and tell us your findings. Only but 5 persons. I'll take only 5 calls right now. I'll take only 5 calls right now. I'll take only 5 calls. Only about 5 calls. You can call the number attached there. 090642357 and 45. The only side Okwuluora lied about the amount also no or even about her amount also going on account of no why prayer. You had to call 10 billion on him or thereabout. Then that's the only side the man all will record rash. Because all the opportunity that you don't know many and we make it we go. Which is as a good businessman, that's what he needs to do. You don't expect him to lose 500,000 naira and just go home and sleep. That may be his last card. And you may say it is not under duress. A man under gunpoint. Till today, have you seen the government of Imo State make any statement to this thing? Anybody is right to accuse you guys, don't know they are aware. My name is Governor Ezioku.
Hearing.
Hello? Governor Ezioku is my name. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm asking because
because what I'm Igbo want them.
Then, the guy now saying Okwuluora 500,000 naira. Okay, you now Okwuluora they need that 500,000 naira. The truth of the matter here, Okwuluora need ground to fear because on and those guys in Apa. And I heard.
Yes.
Yes, na eno na eni nne m ụmụ ọma. Ha na-akpa mkpamkpa. So Okwuluora anugo their scores. And this very guy na-asị na ọya commander na ọsị emetụkwu n'Okwuluora. Maybe oge his group jam Okwuluora. Ha nyere Okwuluora hit nke a shot. Ị gaghị asị na Okwuluora n'ụka ha 500,000. Onye gara irezi ego ji ego a ga-etrit onye arụ na-adịghị. Were tie 500,000 were nyezie mmadụ in the name of dashing. Ịghọtago? Ihe dị ụka ahụ adị ọnwụ ihe a na-eme dị egwu anaghị ezo ya ezo. Ihe those guys na-eme isi na ị na-azọ ọgwụ onye ị na-azọ ọchịchị ị na-azọ nwere onwe ị na-azọzi na gị tọrụzi onye against ndị nwa na ị na-asụtara nwere onwe ahụ. Onwe onye obi dị mma na Herod Boys na-emeti na onwere onye Igbo na-eku ume especially that Imo State Igwe. Onwe onye Igbo na-eku ume gasị nye those guys na-eme na in the name of a na-azọ nwere onwe obi dị mma. Because ha call the good thing upside down. Na-emezi mpụ. Eme mpụ. It's very all the very bad. But those guys na-eme all the onwe ya na-asị onwe his shot onye na-support bụ before like contributing isi ka iji were onwe ndị akpọgwa a na-akpọkwa afa before na ha ọwụ ndị a na-akpa ka ọgụ ya na-adị ime ka ha kwụsịrị ije ị na-egbu ndị be ha na-egbu. Ịmataga ebe m na-aga na ndị na-achị efi. Then otu ha na-emezi na villages na ji agbapụ villages na-agbazi those boys those villages na-akpọkọrọ ndị a na-abata n'abalị buru mmadụ na ya adị abụọ. Onye nke ha hapụrụ mebi oke mgbe ị ga-aga buru elderly man maybe husband or wife gị buru ka ime ọbịa in the name of na ịwụ ọga gị siri onye ahụ n'ime ọbịa 1 week 2 weeks hapụbe no feeding nothing.
All right, thank you.
In short, onye ahụ bụ na mmadụ all this by God grace onye survive. Ndị a chọrọ igbu onye ahụ.
Yes. All right, thank you very much. Thank you for your point, my brother. Ngozi Obi, delete your comment right now. You have only about 2 minutes to delete your comment. That stupid comment, or else I will block you from this page. I don't pity, I don't tolerate. I have zero tolerance for rubbish. I don't tolerate idiocy here. Delete your comment right now. You have only about 3 minutes to do so. If you fail to delete it, then we'll block you from this page immediately. Hello? 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 There we go. Chere, come to you on a loudspeaker, please. Oh, I got to alarm this thing. That woman, on the one, or delete that comment. She come teach you a lesson. Get her from this page. Or delete earlier. Chere, can block for this woman. Or can suspend the again. We'll take it next time. Amen. Get one. Brother, go ahead. You have only 1 minute, please.
Yeah. Eventually, come back here now. But Okwuluora and those who will issue. Now, Okwuluora went to that place. I believe a man go. You man, the Bible, I was opportunist. Any small thing. I actually did a May Forza. They were going in there. Cause you understand me? He said that Okwuluora or now these people now name this no matter Boria name damage control. So that I'm not matter paid in our so that because of no matter Okwuluora there is this thing but very high. You know, there was this kind of a security alert, no matter. Is that